The world goes silent for a second. You hear it before you see it, the crackle of your own foundation giving way. A single phrase, a look, an action so small it should be insignificant, but it's the final pebble that triggers the avalanche. Your breath catches in your throat. This can't be happening. Not after everything. Not from them. The person you built your world around just handed you the hammer and showed you where to swing. Your trusted confidant, your partner in crime, your other half, just became a stranger. And in the deafening quiet that follows, you realize you're completely, utterly alone, free falling into an abyss you never saw coming. How do you even begin to breathe again when the very air has been stolen from your lungs? Stick with me, because we're going to find the way back. Not around it, but through it. Together. It all feels so distant now, like a movie you once watched. Remember the late-night talks? The promises whispered in the dark, painting a future so bright it hurt your eyes. You poured everything into this. Your time, your heart, your vulnerability. You showed them the parts of yourself you kept hidden from the rest of the world, convinced they were safe there. You celebrated their wins as your own, and they held you through your stumbles. Or so you thought. You built this thing, this connection, this dream, brick by painstaking brick. You ignored the tiny cracks, the little inconsistencies, because the bigger picture was just too beautiful to question. You trusted, you believed, and that belief was the sun you orbited, the anchor that kept you steady in any storm. Looking back, it was a masterpiece of hope, a testament to your ability to love and to build. It was real, and that's what makes the rubble at your feet so impossible to comprehend. Now you're sitting in the wreckage. The silence is gone, replaced by a relentless ringing in your ears. Every memory is a ghost, every shared laugh a fresh wound. You replay the moments, searching for the lie, the exact second the ground shifted beneath you. Was it something you did? Something you said? The questions are a swarm of bees in your head, and there are no answers, only the sharp, persistent sting of pain. Your body feels heavy, like it's made of lead. Getting out of bed is a monumental effort. The world outside seems too loud, too bright, too normal. How can everyone just go on when your entire universe has collapsed? This isn't just sadness. It's a hollowing out, a feeling of being scooped empty, leaving nothing but a shell. You look in the mirror, and you don't recognize the person staring back. The light in their eyes is gone. This is the abyss, and it feels like it goes on forever. It's okay to feel lost here. It's okay to feel nothing and everything all at once. This pain is real, and it deserves to be felt. Then, one morning, something changes. It's not a lightning bolt or a grand epiphany. It's smaller, infinitely smaller. Maybe the sun hits your face through the window, and for a single fleeting second, it feels warm instead of intrusive. Or you hear a song you both loved, and instead of a gut-wrenching sob, a sad, small smile touches your lips before the tears come. A friend texts you a stupid meme, and you almost laugh. It's a flicker, a tiny, fragile spark in the overwhelming darkness. This is the first sign that the person you were before the fall is still in there, buried under the rubble, waiting. It's not hope, not yet. It's just a possibility. The possibility that this pain won't be your forever. The possibility that there is a you that exists independently of them. This tiny glimmer doesn't erase the darkness, but it proves the darkness isn't absolute. It's the first deep breath after being underwater for too long. Hold on to it. Now we rebuild, not the old structure. That design was flawed. We're building something new, something stronger. Start small. Unfollow them. Mute them. Archive the pictures. You don't have to delete your history, but you do need to put it on a shelf you can't easily reach. Create a no-fly zone for your mind. Next, reconnect with your own world. Call that friend you've been meaning to catch up with. Revisit a hobby you let slide. Go for a walk without a destination and just notice the world around you, the color of the leaves, the sound of the city, the feeling of the ground beneath your feet. These are your anchors to the present moment. And here's the most important part. Be selfish with your energy. Say no. Protect your peace. If something feels draining, step away. Your only job right now is to heal. This isn't a race. Some days you'll lay 10 bricks, and some days you'll be lucky to lay one. Both are progress. You are not fixing what was broken. You are building what will last. Slowly, almost without you noticing, a new day dawns. The frantic energy is gone, replaced by a quiet strength. You wake up one morning, and the first thought in your head isn't about them. You laugh, a real, full-bodied laugh, and it doesn't feel like a betrayal of your grief. You've walked through the fire, and you've come out not unscathed, but forged. The scars are there, yes, but they are not signs of weakness. They are maps. They are proof of your resilience. You now understand that your worth was never held in someone else's hands. You learned to be your own anchor, your own safe harbor. The fall didn't break you. It broke you open. It revealed a depth of strength you never knew you had. You see the world differently now, with more compassion for others and, most importantly, for yourself. This isn't just a comeback. This is an evolution. This is you, reborn. Thank you for walking this path with me today. If this story resonated with you, and you're ready to continue your journey of healing and growth, hit that subscribe button. We have so much more to explore together. You are not alone. See you in the next one.